Ask Tom on Home Show.
Katie from Denver Harbor, Houston, has a question about some deck distress.
But her 4-story house has a rooftop deck. I love those. You get up there and you get a nice view. But the door is not properly installed, Tom, by the builder, and now she's trying to figure out what to do. Katie writes to us, with the recent rain, we noticed signs of water damage on the walls below the door on the 3rd floor. You can see it right here, right? And then she says, hang on, I got more pictures for you from her too. She says they found water damage on the walls below the door on the 3rd floor, and the door needs to be replaced. As you can see here, it don't fit so good. And so is there a company that can help us with both the walls and the door, even if it's different? She doesn't care. She just wants to get this thing fixed. What's your advice on getting this thing repaired?
Well, first off, you want to care, and you want a good door, and you don't want it to leak. I used to have these situations all the time. That's not necessarily 4 flights in the air, but even a 2nd story. And the first thing I would do before the door went in, and we were detailing everything, is Ideal Roofing would come in, and they have special custom-made door pans that go on before the door goes in. So I would coordinate having them do the door pans, and then having someone like Rudy, or if you know somebody to rehang the door, go to a door clearance center, buy yourself a really nice door, a weatherproof door that's going to go up there and the kind of door you like, and have that put in properly. But it's the door pan where it all failed. And I bet you they didn't do a door pan. I bet you they just put a threshold. They put a lot of caulking, and they tried their best, maybe put a little piece of metal there. But a custom door pan is what you're looking for. And someone like Ideal Roofing, in fact, you could call them. They might even have someone to replace the door and do the whole job for you, because this is a crossover between the weatherproofing and the custom metal and all these different things that they do, especially with a upper floor patio balcony that is also a roof too. So they've done a lot of those, and they understand the intricacies. They're very difficult to do if you don't have the right people involved. But the door pan is what failed.
Right. And if you go to HomeShowRadio.com and look around, especially go to the Ideal Roofing page, you'll see there's a link to the video for that.
Yeah.
Where it shows how he puts this door pan in, and it makes an enormous difference.
Yeah, that's right.
So, all right. You got a question? Go ahead and go to HomeShowRadio.com. Click on the blue Ask Tom button, fill out the form, send it in, and we will answer it in a video just like this that we post at HomeShowRadio.com. And we post them on our YouTube channel, Home Show Radio YouTube channel. Subscribe, click the bell, and give us a thumbs up on the ones you like.